always irrelevant. Because last time I checked, an elephant is not the king of the jungle. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay? And we talked about king of the jungle. Freaking lions. Okay? And a lion isn't big on numbers. It could give a crap about how many people or how many gazelles are in the herd before it attacks it. It's not like it's 1, 2, 300, I'm done. It could care less about numbers. Okay? Just like it could care less about numbers when it runs in there and those other gazelles scatter. Because they're scared. A lion is a lion for a reason. Okay? Has nothing to do with size, everything to do with heart. Every snap tonight, you have to play with heart. The guy next to you will. I promise you, the guy next to you will. Trust your keys. Be dominant. Go out there with your hair on fire. Hit, hit, hit. This game is about violence. Make no mistake. Clean, legit, violent. You be violent tonight. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Let's go.
This is not a test. This is an emergency broadcast system.